Hi, my name is Julia Messick. I'm the showroom manager here at Atlantic Graphics Systems in Columbia, Maryland. Today we're going to be demoing UV Unlimited, an add-on for the Xante X Series line. First, we'll be going over the overall specs of the machine. The size of the laminator is fairly small and can be placed on a tabletop beside the printer. The media size for UV Unlimited is either A3 or A4 sheets. UV Unlimited can stick to wood, vinyl, plastics, 3D objects, paper, glass, rubber, metal, bottles, containers, industrial equipment, and mugs and cups. Let's turn on our machine and let it warm up while we print. It only takes about 5 minutes or so to warm up. Let's head over to Xante IQ to set up our job. Xante IQ is a digital color workflow with advanced color matching and file management tools. If you have ever interacted with an imposition software, this is very similar. First, an overview of the software. On the top are shortcuts to do actions such as open a file, print, and open templates. Left of our screen are the file organizations in different folders you can create for different jobs, maintenance files, and more. The great thing about Xante is if you buy multiple of their variations of format equipment, they will all run through IQ down on the bottom here. For example, here is our showroom. We have a Xante end press that is also connected. Once the job is loaded, we are going to double click on the job and open up our job ticket. You can see on our job ticket, the left side is where our menus and options are for the job. The target device on the top left is where you can send it to, if you have multiple Xante devices connected to IQ. The first option that pops up is our job preview. This is going to give you a visual rendering of the job. Let's go over the most used menus that appear for every job ticket. This menu is printer settings. This is where you can apply the quality, color mode, output, and printer options for this ticket. Next menu is in position. This is where you can edit the size, have multiple copies up, and apply printer's marks. Next menu is our white settings. This allows you to apply white to the entire job, under print area, and under ink. In here, you can apply how many layers of white you would like and the under trap for good registration. Add-ons is where you can apply images and text on the go. Our last menu is the Write On page. This gives you the opportunity to color match if you are hitting a certain Pantone swatch or have a color critical job. In addition, the Job Cost menu shows how much the job costs and the ink consumption as well. Awesome, let's get this job ready for print. All we need to do is configure the white settings. Under white settings, we will select Print under Print area and add 3 layers of white with a 2-point under trap. Lastly is selecting my printer settings. I make it about 1440 resolution with a height of 1 millimeter. Now we're ready to send the job to print. In order to print on a UV Unlimited sheet, just peel the front end and place on printer sticky side up. Once my material is loaded, vacuum is turned on, and I can position my print head height down to 1 millimeter. With my height, media, and vacuum completed, I can now start my print. Our UV Unlimited print is done. On an 11 by 17 sheet, it finished about 3 minutes and 45 seconds with 3 layers of white. Here we are at our UV Unlimited station. This is where we're going to be putting our sheet into the laminator to get it ready for transfer. Our machine is warmed up and ready to go. Now just place through the roller and press forward. Once done laminating, these graphics can be cut out and ready to apply to anything. Once I've cut it off my UV Unlimited, I can head over to my transfer station and actually cut these out and apply them myself individually. To apply, I recommend a squeegee, but enough pressure from your hands can also work. Just peel and place on. There are many ways in the sign industry of applying vinyl and graphics, so work with what method feels comfortable to you. There are also certain attachments that can make placing bottles easier. Take a look at Xante's video as they apply. They use a device called a cup cradle. This makes applying on cylindrical surfaces easier. And our demo is done for today. If you have any questions and want to learn more, or even come on in for a demo and run your own files, contact us today. My name is Julia Messick, and thank you for coming to our virtual showroom here at Atlantic Graphics Systems.